Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make character spacing very loose in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make character spacing very loose. At first, click inside a text box. Now I am select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and we can see here many options. Now I am select the character spacing option and we can see here many. Now I am select the very loose option. Now we can see we make our spacing very loose very easily. You can applying this process in another text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.